Second one is also important. A is 30 degree. A is 30 degree. Then first one. A is 30 degree. Then prove that sine 2a is 30 degree. Then prove that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So there are three terms. So we want to prove that a is equal to b is equal to c. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. There are three terms. Sine 2a one term, 2 sine a cos a other term, 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square is third term. We want to prove that all the three terms are equal. So I will find the value of all the three terms. Wherever there are two terms, we consider left hand side and right hand side. But here we have three terms. So I will not consider left hand side and right hand side. I will consider all the three terms separately and find their value. So first it is sine 2a. No, easy. Sine 2a. Sine 2a. A is 30 degree. So 2 into 30 degree. So that is sine 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. So sine 2a is root 3 by 2. So my sine 2a is root 3 by 2. This value we have found. Root 3 by 2. Similarly, I will find 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, we find 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a. So that will be 2 sine 30 degree into cos 30 degree. So that will be 2 into cos sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled and that is root 3 by 2. So this second term value is also 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a is also root 2 sine a cos a. Now it is clear, right? 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a. Right. 2 sine a cos a is root 3 by 2. Now we evaluate the third term. 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. We put the value of a. So 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So that will be 2 into, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is tan 30 whole square. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 square. So now we simplify this. So that will be 2 upon root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 3. Simplify this. Simplify. So that will be 2 upon root 3. Yes. Simplify that. So 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So now, so 2 upon root 3 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 4. So that will be 2 upon root 3. That will be 2 upon root 3. Then 3 ones are 3, 4 upon 3. So this 3 will go up. That will be 2 into root 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 upon root 3 into 4. This will go down. So now we can cancel 2. Yes. Now 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. So this 2 2s are 4. Root 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. Upon root 3 into 2 2s are 4. So 1 root 3 get cancelled. 1 root 3 get cancelled. That is root 3 by 2. So 2 tan a 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A is root 3 by 2. So now all the three terms have same value, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Hence, therefore we write, therefore sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Because all three are having same value. All the three terms, they have same value, so therefore they are equal. Now in second remaining with, wait my dears, second remaining will be homework. Wait. You will go on solving each and every problem of same type. No. Second remaining you will try. Okay, chalo, fourth one. Sin 3A. So sin 3A, fourth one. Second and third will be homework. Now fourth one. Sin 3A. Fourth one. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So now there are two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So I will consider left hand side. Left hand side is sin 3A. Follow? Yes. Yes. Last step. Okay. 2 upon root 3 divide by 4 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 divided by 4 upon 3 is same as multiplied by reciprocal of 4 upon 3, 3 upon 4. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 get cancelled. Answer is root 3 by 2. Yes, understood? Sin 3A. So that is sin 3A is the angle. So 3A, A is 30 degree. Correct? So that will be 3 into 30 is 90. Sin 90 is 1. So my left hand side value is 1. Now we evaluate. Yes, ask the doubt. Where? Which problem? Now this is my left hand side. No. Second and third don't do that. See, my dear, answer will come same, but second, whenever you want to prove that A is equal to B is equal to C, then you find the value of A, you find the value of B, you find the value of C separately. And if all three are having same values, then only you can write A is equal to B is equal to C. We don't evaluate second and third in one line. No, wait. Fourth, I am doing second, fourth. Now left hand side we have evaluated. Now we have to evaluate right hand side. What is my right hand side? Right hand side is 3 sin A. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 3 sin A minus 4. 3 sin A. 3 sin A minus. Even though there are two different terms, but this is considered as right hand side. No. The term before equal to is my left hand side, and the term after equal to is my right hand side. Before equal to it is my left hand side, after equal to it is my right hand side. So entire I will consider right hand side. Now we put the value of A. So that is 3 sin A is 30 degree minus 4. wait, minus 4 sine cube 30 degree. So that becomes 3 sine 30 degree. 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine cube 30 degree is nothing but sine 30. No, sine 30 whole cube. Sine cube 30 degree is sine 30 whole cube. So that is 3 by 2 minus 4 into sine 30 is 1 by 2 cube. So that is 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8. So that is 3 by 2 minus 4 2 is 8, 4 by 2, sorry 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So my right hand side is 1. So left hand side is 1, right hand side is 1, and therefore we write sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Third will be, you have to do third one. Left hand side and right hand side. Let me do one if you want. Third one, let me do the second one. Third, let me do the second. First you do. Third one, let me do the second. Third one. So all these are important problems for 3 to 4 marks. Third one, second. Only the thing is you have to be perfect in the calculation. There should not be any mistake. Wait, no. Third second. You are given the value of A is 45, B is 45. A is equal to B is equal to 45. Yes, all are important in this. So third second, you are given A is equal to B is equal to 45. So A is equal to B is equal to 45 means A is 45 degree and B is also 45 degree. A is 45 and B is 45. Then it is asked, prove that or show that. Then show that second part I am doing, cos A plus B, second one. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B, minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now there are two terms, left side, right side, evaluate this. So left hand side is cos A plus B. Now put the value of angle A and B. A is 45 degree, B is 45 degree, 45 degree plus 45 degree is 90 degree. If you see the table, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Clear? Cos 90 is 0. Now I will evaluate my right hand side. Right hand side is cos A cos B, minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We put the value and simplify. So cos 45 degree into cos 45 degree minus sin 45 degree into sin 45 degree. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. 1 into 1, we multiply the numerator and we multiply the denominators to denominator. So that will be 1 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. So my right hand side is 0, left hand side is 0, hence it is verified. So we write 3 to 4 marks, right hand side is 0. So therefore left hand side you write cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B sin A sin B is equal to 0. Right. It is asked show that. So we do not write hence it is verified or it is proved. Whenever it is asked prove that, then at the end we write 1 minute. Whenever it is there show that, we don't write. Now it is clear, right? Cos no. Fourth question that I will tell you. Fourth one. एक मिनट. Now it is clear. एक मिनट. Now it is clear. Let us see how long it will be clear. Fourth. A is 30 degree. Then first, second, third, same way. Yes, tell me. Fourth, okay. A is 30 degree. A is 30 degree. Then show that. Let me do fourth one. Show that fourth is 1 minus cos 2a 1 minus cos 2a upon sin 2a upon sin 2a is equal to tan a. 1 minus cos 2a upon sin 2a is equal to tan a. So consider left hand side. Consider left hand side and right hand side. Consider left hand side. Left hand side is 1 minus cos 2a upon sin 2a. 1 minus cos 2a is the angle. A is 30 degrees. So 2 into 30 degree upon sin 2 into A. A is 30 degrees. So 2 into 30 degrees. So simplify that. 1 minus cos 2a 1 minus cos 2a upon sin 2a. So A is 30 degree. We substitute the value. A is 30 degree. So left hand side is 1 minus cos 60 degree upon sin 60 degree. 1 minus cos 60 degree upon sin 60 degree. 2 into 30 is 60. No, I will not write it is proved because it is show that. Whenever it is show that, only we write that they are equal. So that will be 1 minus cos 60 degree upon sin 60 degree. So 1 minus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 60 degree is 1 by 2. Wait, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 minus, so 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. That is 1 upon root 3. So my left hand side is 1 upon root 3. Now let us evaluate. Yes, let us evaluate right hand side. Right hand side is tan A. A is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So directly we are getting right hand side as 1 upon root 3. RHS is 1 upon root 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Let me write. LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1 upon root 3. And therefore, 1 minus cos 2a upon sin 2a is equal to tan a. We don't write it is proved because it is asked show that. So we write LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1 upon yes. Yes, fine. But at least you should write LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1 upon root 3. That part you should write. 1 upon root 3 also you should write. Even if you don't write 1 upon root 3, no problem. But I will advise you write. Now, 5th, 6th. Let me do 7th. Let me do 7th. My dear, 6th, 5th, 6th are same. 7th, let me do 7th. Let me do 7th if time permits. Let me do 7th. If time permits, then I will do 6th. Right. Start 7th one. Start 7th one. Start 7th one. Let me see. Yes. Now it is. Now it is clear. Yes. It happens. It happens. See, from. Yes. अरे ठीक है. See what you are telling. No, I fully believe in that. And now let us continue. I think it is clear. We'll find out solution. But again there is problem. Now 7th. Let me do 7th. A is same angle. A is 30 degree. Show that A is 30 degree. Show that cos cube A. Cos cube A means cos A whole cube. Cos cube A minus cos 3A. Angle is 3A upon cos A plus sin cube A plus sin cube A plus sin 3A plus sin 3A. 3A is the angle upon sin A is equal to 3. So this is my left hand side, this is right hand side. Right hand side is already given 3. So let us consider left hand side. Left hand side is cos cube A minus cos 3A upon cos A plus sin cube A plus sin 3A upon sin A. So now we put the value of A as 30 degree. So that will be cos cube 30 degree minus cos 3 into A is 30 degree upon cos A is 30 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin cube A, sin cube 30 degree plus sin 3 into 30 degree, 3 into 30 degree upon sin 30 degree. So cos cube 30 degree is same as cos 30 degree whole cube minus cos 3 into 3 90 degree, cos 90 degree upon cos 30 degree. What is cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 plus sin cube 30 degree is same as sin 30 whole cube plus sin 90 degree Sin 90 degree upon sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 90 degree is 1. So cos 30 degree. What is cos 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole cube. Root 3 by 2 whole cube. Yes, that will be root 3 by 2 whole cube. See how much big question is there. We should not worry for that. Only we should be perfect in the calculation. So that will be cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 cube minus cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0 upon root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cube plus sin 90 degree is 1. Sin 90 degree is 1 upon 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 cube is 3 root 3 upon 8 upon root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8 plus 1 upon 1 by 2. Let us simplify. This will be 3 root 3 upon 8 divide by root by 3 is same as multiplied by 2 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 cross multiply 1 plus 8 9 upon 8 upon 1 by 2. Now root 3 get cancelled, then 2 4s are 8, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 9 upon 8 divide by 1 by 2 is same as multiplied by 2 upon 1. So 2 4s are 8, you can cancel, 2 4s are 8. So that will be 9 by 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4. Are you getting? 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4 is 12 by 4. And 12 by 4 is nothing but 3. So my left hand side is 3. Left hand side is 3. And what is right hand side? Yes. What is right hand side? Right hand side is 3. So left hand side is it? Wait. So, wait. So now let me write, at least complete this, no? Left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 3. So we write left hand side is equal. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 3, and we stop there. So this complete 23rd B. Yes? Yes. Tomorrow onwards or whenever we have next period Friday, we'll start 23rd C. But you come prepared with the table. Come prepared thoroughly with the table of sin 30. Yes. Bye. Thoroughly come prepared with the table. Sin 30, sin 60, sin 45, cos 0, cos 45, cos 60, tan 30, tan 60, tan 45. Those tables should be thoroughly.